Hello everybody, welcome back to my beautiful YouTube channel. Okay, what? You're very surprised, right? I came back with you all today, guys. Do you know what I got? The special chapter in science subject. Okay, what is that subject she's going to teach today? Yes, that is chapter number 2, Nutrition in Animals, part 1. Part 2 will be released in next video. Okay, what are we talking about in this session? What are we discussing? Okay, that is, we are discussing about animal nutrition, different ways of taking food, digestion in human body. Whatever we take, how it is digested, we will learn in this beautiful session. Then, in digestion system, what are the processes? Whatever the food goes, where it goes, how it is digested, we will learn. That is by the mouth and the buccal cavity, the food pipe, or known as esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. Okay, we will start. What is animal nutrition? Before knowing animal nutrition, what is the common nutrition which is present? We will learn about that. What is nutrition? What is nutrition? Can anyone answer? Answer in comment. Okay, I'm going to tell the answer. The mode of taking food by any organism, means any living organism, and utilization in the body is called as nutrition. Means the simple way, whatever we take food, the body utilizes, that is known as nutrition. This is the simple way, guys. Understand it. Okay, that is the simple way of nutrition. Okay, animals get the food directly or indirectly from plants only. We tell only animals do not get, only some animals get directly from plant, but not others. We say, right? That is completely wrong, guys. I'll tell you how. Now, for example, we take rabbit. Rabbit is a cute bunny once, right? The rabbit eat grass. It's from plant only, right? Yes, it's from plants only. Then the tiger comes. The tiger hunts and eats the rabbit. Okay, the rabbit eats plant. Plant is not there. How is the rabbit there? The rabbit is not there. The tiger is not there. So this is the process where we depend on plants directly or indirectly. Okay, now we will learn about animal nutrition. Now I told you commonly what is nutrition, right? Now we will learn what is animal nutrition. Includes nutrient requirement, mode of taking food, and its utilization in the body. Means the food what the animals take into is known as animal nutrition, and the same, the food is taken which to the animal is means digested, and the body makes it utilize. The body takes use of it. So this is known as animal nutrition. The same process where that is nutrition, and here also animal nutrition. Digestion. What is digestion? Going into our stomach, it gets excreted. No, that's known as a digestion. That is the food, the process by which complex food substances broke down into the simpler substances are called digestion. Now we'll eat a carrot. It goes into we chew it, right? Then we swallow it, right? That is known as digestion. Yes, the complex means the big substance broken down into smaller pieces known as digestion. Guys, this much you remember, the digestion will come into your mind easily. Now, different ways of taking food. I told you, what is different ways? What is he going to tell? We know we will take by our mouth, right? You all will be thinking, but there are some animals I'm gonna show you and how do they take food. Now animals take kind of food, more of chewing. Okay. Now there is a snail, ant, eagle, hummingbird, lice, mosquito, butterfly, housefly. Okay, these are animals we know commonly. I took random names of the animals. Okay, kind of food. What is the kind of food? What does it eat? Means kind of food means what does it eat? Snail, grass it is, eats, and insect it eats eagle flesh, hummingbird nectar, lice blood, mosquito blood, butterfly nectar, housefly decaying matter. What is the mode? How do they are directly swallow, they suck, they chew, they scrap, they bevel. What are those? We will learn. Snail, grass by chewing. Even it chews like us only. Insects. Now, for example, you see a cockroach is dead and thrown there. Then the ants surround the cockroach and the cockroach is gone. Where it gone? Ant taken. Ants are took. Okay? My hand scrapping. Okay? Eagle flesh. Eagle flesh means the meat of the other animal. How they don't have teeth like us to bite or to chew. It directly swallows. It directly swallows. Hummingbird. It takes nectar. But how? Sucking. It sucks, right? Lice, which will be present in our head. I'll show the picture. Lice, blood. Okay, it takes the blood which is present in our head by even it sucks only. Okay, it can't drink or it can't swallow, it can't scrap it or it can't chew. It only sucks. Mosquito. There are two types of mosquito. I have not mentioned here. There are two types of mosquito. One male, female. We know that. And the male mosquito sucks the nectar. Okay, sucks the nectar. And the female mosquito, what does it do? It sucks blood for the another reproduction. It sucks the blood for only reproduction time. Okay, but how? Sucking only. The common way, if the mosquito comes on us, sit and it sucks blood, it go away. Butterfly, it sucks nectar. So cute. We all love butterflies, right? And it goes on a flower. It sucks the nectar and the sweet juice of that flower, beautiful flower, and it goes away. Housefly, you will see in house, if the banana is going to rotten, we see the housefly comes and sit on that, and it bevels, it does like, right? And what? And housefly is also called as in Kannada, nona. Okay, we all know commonly that is nona, and it comes. The banana is going to rotten, and it comes on that and sits and it bevers. Okay, I'm going to show you what are the animals we saw and show you the pictures. This is snail. What does it eat? Grass. Yes, that is grass. By how? Chewing. This is the beautiful ant which is present everywhere in our house. By how? Are the insects? The insects by what? Scrapping. This is the eagle, which eats flesh of other animals. Okay? By other animals, meat. Okay, but how we do it? It's swallowing. It swallows directly. This is beautiful hummingbird. See, you can see it clearly. The hummingbird is sucking a nectar from a beautiful flower. Yes, this is the lice which will be present in our heads. Can you see it clearly? Yes, that is the lice. This is a mosquito, which is spreading nowadays dengue for everyone. Okay, let us come back. What does it do? I told you female and male. Male mosquito sucks the nectar and the female mosquito sucks the blood for reproduction only. And now what is next? Think. That is butterfly. A beautiful kind of butterfly. Okay, but even you can see that it is sucking a nectar. And now this is housefly, which sits on decaying matter. That is very, it does not that only. See, whatever I told, it's here written. You can copy down it. Okay, you all copied, I think so. Let us go next. Digestion in human. What is digestion? You can see digestion. We all think it goes to our stomach. It gets something, and it goes. The waste particles get excreted. No, there is some process. Yes, it goes through mouth to esophagus to stomach to large intestine to small intestine. You can see, guys, there the small intestine, the large intestine is slowly connected to small intestine, like a snake. It is, right. You think snake is in my stomach? No, there is this large intestine and small intestine. You can see this. Yes, so very sensitive. Okay, then the large intestine that has two end parts. One is appendix, one is rectum and anus. Okay, what is the use of rectum? Rectum is a storage bag where urine and excretion is stored, where excretion material is stored. Okay, stored in that particular place only it stores. And anus, we all know that, where we excrete from. Do you know what is appendix? Any guesses? Any guess? I'll give you 2 seconds to think and send it in comments. Okay, let us go through appendix. What is the appendix? You will be thinking, it is a end. That much only we know. No, it has a particular meaning. Appendix means it is a waste and dead organ in our whole body. Means the esophagus is not there, we cannot digest our food. If the lungs is not there, even we cannot digest. If the small intestine is not there, we cannot. But without or with, we can survive. Without that, even we can survive. No use of that particular part. Okay? And these, what are the uses you will be thinking? I'll tell. Now, the main parts of the alimentary canal are buccal cavity, mouth, or esophagus, or known as food pipe. Okay? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, the main glands are salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. The alimentary canal and the glands together is called the digestive system. Means those all systems make a digestive system. Okay, let us go next. The mouth and the buccal cavity. This is the mouth. So cute, no? These teeth help us to chop, chew. Okay, food is taken into the body through the mouth. This process is called ingestion. In the mouth, the food is broken down into smaller pieces by teeth. The mouth has salivary gland which secretes saliva. The saliva breaks down starch into sugars. The tongue helps to mix the food with saliva and swallow it. Now, what is ingestion? Ingestion means taking the food into the body is known as ingestion. Simple. You can remember it very easily. Okay. The food is broken down into smaller pieces by this beautiful teeth. And this here they are showing down of the tongue. Here there is a lines. They are known as salivary glands. That particular place makes saliva and sends to mouth. Commonly, when we are talking, we take saliva. We take like this, right? That time with the saliva is went inside through esophagus. Okay, what does the saliva works? Why it is used? If saliva is not there, what will happen to us? Yes, you will be thinking. Okay, I'll tell. Wait, guys. I'll tell you all. What is the use? Okay, what is the use? Even I'll think. I got it. Okay, saliva glands secrete saliva, which the saliva starch breaks down into sugar. It means the saliva is used for starch. Whatever we eat, starch product, it breaks down into sugar. Okay, so the saliva is used here. What is the use of tongue? If the tongue is not there, nothing will happen. Now what? Tongue is used for swallowing food and food to mix with saliva. Okay, if the starch is not separated into sugars, it will not go and digest. So the tongue is used here. What is the use of tongue? I'll tell in detail. Now, this is a tongue picture. This is the fake tongue and this is a real tongue. Okay. In that first picture I showed you, there is a bitter, sour, salty, sweet. Whenever, for example, we eat chocolates, right? We all eat chocolates when we are small. We eat chocolates. We lick like this, like dairy milk. It is molten, and we lick like this. The sweet is tasted here. The sweet is tasted there. Here, second, salty is tasted here. Here, third is tasted as sour. Fourth, bitter. At the end of the, you can see in first color picture, that is last one is called as bitter. Okay, where spicy, we feel spicy, right? The all parts make the spicy. Very easy, no? Tongue is very easy to learn, right? The tongue has taste buds to detect different tastes of food. The different regions of the tongue detect different tastes. Taste mean the another bird of the tongue taste another food types and tastes. Okay, what is next? A beautiful teeth. Okay, we will learn. This is a picture of teeth. And there are so many varieties. There are only 5 varieties. That is incisors, canine, molar, premolars. Sorry, there are 4. Okay, there are 4 types. Okay, what are the use of canines? She told, what are the use you will be thinking, right? I will tell you what are the uses. There are 4 types of teeth. There are incisors, canines, molars and premolars. Incisors help in biting and cutting the food. Now, for example, we will be eating roti and cut we eat, these 4 teeth are used, right? And canines, these sharp teeth used for anything tearing. Like for example, we will take carrot and another flesh. We tear like this, right? Carrot we eat like this, or what? The teeth will break only. Like this we eat, right? And like this we eat, right? That is used for tearing the food. Whenever we eat chicken, we do like this. That means that these both are teeth are used for tearing. And molars are premolars. What are they called in Kannada? They are called davade hallu. Their davade hall is growing for her, right? Davade hall belatad nodakige. They tell, right? What are they used for? Chewing and grinding. Whenever the teeth is paining, you can see this. Whenever your teeth is going to fall, you chew from your only will chew every time. Here, whenever eat something, whenever we cut, here we chew, right? This is the part where the premolars and molars are present. You can feel like this. You can touch. Yes, you felt right, guys. Okay, how many are they? Okay, we will learn. The type. I'm giving you the type of teeth: lower jaw, upper jaw, total number of teeth. Incisors. There are 4 teeth in upper jaw also, lower jaw also. Here 4. Total there are 8. Canines. There are here 2. Means up to, down to. There are total 4. Molars and premolars. Molars are 5. Premolars are 5. Is equal to 10 in lower jaw. And upper jaw we will go 5 in lower jaw. 5 molar and 5 premolars. Okay. Total 20. Next, what is next? The food pipe, esophagus, the main important part of digestion. The food pipe passes along the neck and the chest. The swallowed food is pushed down by the movement of walls of food pipe into the stomach. Now, hold your hand like this. Like this, you should hold like right and touch here. You can feel here the pipe is present, not the plumbing pipe, okay? There is a pipe particularly present here. You can touch here. The pipe is gone till here and it is connected. First I showed you the digestion system picture, right? There it is connected. Whatever I show, it is connected there. Okay, to the stomach it's connected. The stomach. The stomach secretes digestive juice, hydrochloric acid and mucus. Now, what you may ask, what is the very most dangerous acid? Okay, that is hydrochloric acid. If the one drop hydrochloric acid falls, the whole part is damaged here all, because that is so much danger. And she's telling like it's not so much danger. It is present in her stomach, right? And she's telling like no, it has a thick layer of mucus which protect says. And that whenever the food is taken into our stomach, that one drop of hydrochloric acid falls and mixes with our food. Whatever we intake our food or ingestion we do, that is that the hydrochloric acid will mixes into that. Okay, the digestive juices break down proteins. Hydrochloric acid makes the medium acid and kills bacteria along with the food. I told you now, it is used for killing the bacteria. Whatever we take, now we will not wash hands one time. Then we take, and what, nothing will happen to our stomach. It will happen. The hydrochloric acid kills that and sends to large intestine, and the good substance is sent to small intestine. With entering along with the food, mucus protect the wall of the stomach from the acid. I told you, no, mucus protects it. Now the small intestine. What is smaller use of small intestine? If small intestine is not there, the food will be not digested only. The small intestine is a long collet tube. It receives secretions from liver, pancreas. It also secretes digestive juice. Means in stomach will be not in that the small intestine is present. No, it will secrete digestive juice. If the digestive juice is not secreting, means it will be not collected in that particular area. The food will be not digested. The liver is the large gland in our body. It secretes bile juice, which is stored in gallbladder. It breaks down fat, whatever eat kurkure and etc. we eat, right? That will break down in gallbladders. Okay. Now the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, which breaks down carbohydrate and proteins. The intestinal juice complex the digestion of starch into glucose, fats into fatty acid, and glucoric and proteins into amino acid. Now this is, can you see here? That is a food pipe which is connected through stomach. And this is gallbladder, pancreas, bile juice is produced there, and gallbladders. Okay, there is a small light pink color, right? That is small intestine. Then that is brownish color is there, no? That is called as large intestine. And that large intestine has two ends. That one small end like this small thin particle. That is only the, what is that? Any guess? You should guess it. Thank you, dear friends, for watching this beautiful video. And this will be the next part will be continued in next session. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you, one and all.